Got a chip or crack in your windscreen? Permanently fix it with the UFIXIT Windscreen Repair Kit. Built for Australia's harsh conditions, UFIXIT is the only DIY repair kit designed to perform in our tough climate. Start by parking your vehicle in the shade. UFIXIT's UV activated resin won't cure until it's exposed to direct sunlight, so you can take your time doing your repair. To start your repair, you will need your UFIXIT repair kit, a clean cloth and gloves. A hairdryer or cigarette lighter can also help with a stubborn repair, but they're optional. First, cut the tip off the resin bottle using the supplied razor blade. Center the applicator base over the damage impact point. Screw in the resin chamber until it gently seals against the glass. Add 4 to 5 drops of resin. Insert the plunger and tighten until you see the damage begin to fade. Wait 10 to 15 minutes for the resin to penetrate, and then remove the plunger to release any trapped air and screw it back in again. Leave for another 10 to 15 minutes and repeat these 2 steps if damage still remains. The key to the best results is patience. Give the resin time to fully work its way into the damage. Once you're happy with the result, remove the applicator. Add a final drop of resin and place the curing strip over the area. Now move the vehicle into direct sunlight and let it cure for 5 to 10 minutes. Finally, remove the strip and use the razor blade provided to scrape away the excess resin, holding it at a 90-degree angle. Wipe it clean, and your permanent UFIXIT windscreen repair is complete.